Hi all, welcome to Lactonist. Weaning is one of the most emotional milestones in a mother's journey. It's not just about reducing feeds, it's about slowly transitioning your little one into the next stage of independence while preserving your bond. Gentle weaning means doing this in a way that is kind, slow, and respectful to both the child and the mother. Today, let's go step by step into what gentle weaning really means, how to prepare, what strategies you can use, and how to make it a positive experience. Let's begin. What is gentle weaning? Gentle weaning is the opposite of sudden weaning. Instead of abruptly stopping feeds, mothers gradually reduce breastfeeding sessions while creating new comfort routines. It allows the child to adjust emotionally and physically while ensuring the mother avoids engorgement, blocked ducts, or feelings of guilt. It's about recognizing that breastfeeding is not only nutrition but also comfort, connection, and security. Gentle weaning respects this bond and focuses on preserving closeness even when breastfeeding ends. When to start gentle weaning? Every child is different. Some may naturally reduce feeds around 18 months or 2 years, while others hold on strongly to comfort feeds. Gentle weaning can technically start any time after 1 year, but the pace depends on your child's readiness. Signs that your child might be ready include showing interest in solid foods, sleeping for longer stretches at night, or being comforted with cuddles or a distraction instead of always needing the breast. Mothers should also consider their own readiness, physical tiredness, emotional exhaustion, or a new pregnancy may influence when to begin. Preparing emotionally for weaning. Weaning isn't just about the child, it's equally emotional for the mother. Hormonal shifts may bring mood swings, sadness, or even guilt. It's important to remind yourself that weaning doesn't mean losing your bond. Instead, it's the transition to new ways of connecting through play, cuddles, and conversations. Prepare your child by talking to them gently. Even toddlers understand simple words like milk will be less or we can cuddle instead. The key is patience, reassurance, and consistency. Daytime weaning strategies. Daytime feeds are usually the easiest to drop first. You can start by identifying which feed your child takes least interest in and replace it with a healthy snack or distraction like outdoor play. The don't reduce method works well here. You don't actively offer the breast, but if the child strongly asks, you allow it. Over time, the requests reduce naturally. During this process, increase attention and cuddles so your child doesn't feel rejected. Night weaning strategies. Night weaning is often the hardest part because many toddlers use nighttime feeds purely for comfort. Start by shortening the feeding time gradually. For example, if your child usually nurses for 10 minutes, reduce it to 7, then 5, then just a quick comfort suckle. Another method is gentle substitution. Offer water, patting, or rocking instead of nursing. Involving your partner can also help. Sometimes children accept comfort from another caregiver more easily at night. The transition takes weeks, not days, so patience is key. Creating new comfort rituals. Children don't only need breast milk, they need the closeness that comes with it. So, when weaning, it's important to introduce new rituals. This could be bedtime stories, soft songs, or back rubs, or cuddling with a blanket. These rituals not only replace breastfeeding but also strengthen emotional security. Over time, your child learns that love and comfort come in many forms, not only through nursing. The role of nutrition during weaning. Once breastfeed starts reducing, solid food intake should increase. Ensure your toddler is eating well, balanced meals with enough protein, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Offer calcium rich foods like curd, paneer, or leafy greens since breast milk naturally provided calcium before. Snacks between meals like fruit pieces, boiled eggs, or porridge keep toddlers full and reduce their need for comfort feeding. Hydration is equally important. Offer water regularly, especially if night feeds are being dropped. Handling tantrums and emotional reactions. It's natural for toddlers to cry or resist weaning. Remember, for them, breastfeeding is not just food, it's their safe place. Instead of saying no harshly, acknowledge their feelings. Say things like, I know you want milk, but let's cuddle instead. Offer distractions. Take them outdoors. Play their favorite game or read together. Slowly, your child learns that comfort and closeness are still there even without breastfeeding. Myths about weaning. Many families believe in abrupt methods like applying bitter substances to the breast or scolding the child when they ask to nurse. These methods can harm the child emotionally and damage trust. Gentle weaning proves that stopping breastfeeding doesn't need to be traumatic. It can be loving, slow, and respectful while still being effective. A mother's physical care during weaning. As feeds reduce, mothers may experience engorgement, fullness, or a discomfort. Hand expression or occasional pumping can help relieve pressure. Avoid abruptly stopping as it increases the risk of mastitis. Wearing a supportive bra, using cold compresses, and gradually spacing out feeds can help the body adjust smoothly. Also, remember to rest and stay hydrated. Your body is going through a big transition too. When gentle weaning isn't going smoothly, sometimes children regress during illness, teething, or developmental leaps. In such cases, pause the weaning process. Offer the breast temporarily if needed. Then continue when things settle down. Gentle weaning is not about strict timelines. It's about respecting a child's pace while balancing your own needs as a mother. Life after weaning. Weaning doesn't mean the end of your closeness. In fact, many mothers say their bond feels even stronger after weaning because their child begins interacting in new ways, talking, cuddling, and expressing love differently. This is also a stage for the mother to rediscover herself. You'll have more time, more energy, and a new balance between your role as a nurturer and as an individual. Gentle weaning is not just a method, it's a journey of patience, love, and respect. It's about allowing your child to slowly step into independence while knowing that your love and care are constant. Whether it takes weeks or months, remember that every step is progress and every family's journey is unique. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.